Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. So yesterday we saw the gold of course dumping after the news as well that we heard some tensions of course in the Middle East, but basically it has reacted somehow in 5 ways after all, and potentially here that we have created an A, B and a C. Now yesterday I mentioned already that I'm not convinced in this ending here for this potential impulse as 1 2 1 2, and then potentially you might have another 1 2 3 4 5 here, and therefore I'm still potentially looking for 4 5 4 5, and that because in case that we are in an impulse here 1 2 3, meaning the wave 3 of course in the blue scenario here might be of course still playing, and can be of course because of this untrusted pattern here that of course it shows like kind of like a expanding diagonal, which is the most rare case scenario that you might see. So I'm expecting that this might be an A, B and a C with those 5 waves that you are looking at. It's not necessarily to be here in a wave 1 always. Of course it can be an A, B, C expanding flat here and then start to move toward the upside again, and then see even much higher prices still for the gold here. And so be careful, it might be a trap. This is what I'm saying. Of course, we might see as well 3, 4, 5, even much more higher prices. Finally, to finish a wave 5, a wave 3, and potentially wave C, which I doubt it, of course. So basically here, what I'm looking for is still an answer, clear answer, of course, because here the price right now on the 15-minute chart looks kind of like impulsive, but here we start to see a lot of consolidation. So there is something going on over there today in the morning. I don't know what is it, but we gotta be careful with it. But basically you can count this from the low candle here. You can count potentially a 1 2 3 4 can be of course this consolidation. However, your wave 3 is very shallow here, and I don't know why, but in case, of course, we are impulsive, you might be in a wave 4 and then moving toward the upside. Confirmation for lower is, of course, breaking this invalidation of bullish, because you might still be in an impulse or potentially in double 1 2 as well. Can be very likely 1 2 1 2 and then 3 4 5 4 5. So we gotta be careful. Of course, this in case it is wave 2, you might get, of course, to this area. You might get, of course, the invalidation. But yeah, we gotta be careful, because even if we get it as wave 2, the momentum will move lower, right? So it still can be possible. It depends, of course, on the price action. But yeah, I mean, when you get to this area, you know, if you are 1 2, you would like to see this, yeah, not like this. But still can be possible, yeah, to get some energy and then moving toward the upside. However, we gotta watch it, of course. I'm still not convinced, of course, with this pattern that we have topped here, despite, of course, the aggressive move here. 5 waves down, it can, of course, relates to the ABC as a wave 4 here, and that you might have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 still towards the upside for the gold. Unless we take, of course, invalidation of bullish and we continue downward. Yeah, you want to take the low here. So this is your confirmation for lower, confirmation for lower. Okay, like taking the low and okay, we dump. We go for a new structure corrective, of course, for the major wave 4 here. Yeah, the yellow one. Yep, so this is what I'm looking for. I think that this structure is not finished yet. I think that we are in 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5 4 and a 5 to finish up around the 3,700. This is what it was expected already anyway, with the 2.618 here taken as well from the major wave 3 downward here. Yeah, so basically if we take a look, let's go a little bit bigger. If we take a the 2.618 from the wave 1 to the wave 2, you will see that this extended wave 3 can give us exactly there 2.618, 3,700, very likely to be hit. That was it for the gold. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.